Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to locate your HubSpot CRM Hub ID, but weren't quite sure where to look, you're in the right place. Whether you're setting up integrations, managing multiple accounts, or troubleshooting with support, knowing your Hub ID is crucial. And in today's step-by-step 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to find it. Quickly, easily, and without confusion. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to www.hubspot.com. Once the page loads, click on the Login button at the top right corner. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If not, there's always a password reset option available. After logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot home dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where your profile picture or initials are displayed. Click on that profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select your name or alias. This will take you to your personal settings. In the next drop-down, find and click on the account option. This will open your account overview page. And here's the important part. Your HubSpot Hub ID will be prominently displayed right on this page, along with other account details. This Hub ID is the unique identifier for your HubSpot CRM account, and it's what you'll often need for integrations, connecting with other tools, or when reaching out to HubSpot support. And that's it. You've successfully found your HubSpot Hub ID in just a few simple steps. No guesswork, no complicated menus, just a straightforward process you can now repeat anytime. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy HubSpot tutorials. Have any questions? Or want me to cover a specific HubSpot feature next? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.